the view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Yeah, I like the view. I like the view.
Hi nail fam, I have another nail package here from Madame Glam and I am so excited to share these gorgeous colors with you. This is from the new Take Me to the Bay collection that just launched by Madame Glam for June, and it is inspired by San Francisco Bay. So I'm gonna get started by showing you all of the gorgeous colors and their names. This first one is Salty Foam. You guys know that I love purple, so I had to naturally pick this one first. And guys, here's the catch with these gel polishes. These are milky. So this is an absolutely new formula that Madame Glam has come out with. And I actually don't think I've seen any other brand with a milky kind of colored color. So here's the first color here. I've swatched these off camera. So this is just one coat on all of the swatch sticks. And I wanted to go ahead and show two coats. I usually don't show two coats on camera, so I thought I'd change it up just a little bit. So here is the second coat going on. And you can build up the opacity of these gel colors. However, I absolutely love that they are milky. We can do a lavender milk bath. We could do a teal milk bath. Here's the second one here called Shaka. I think that's how you pronounce it. And it's such a beautiful, like it gives me like a pinky, like a rose milk, like a rosy pink milk bath. Oh my gosh. When I first swatched these, I was like, oh my goodness, how absolutely gorgeous these are. If you were thinking about doing a rose quartz, you know, the marbles, and I'm actually going to be doing a marble today for today's design. Anyway, guys, I'm just really excited about these new formula products that Madame Glam comes out. And as always, Madame Glam is vegan. They are cruelty free. They are 21 free. The products are absolutely amazing quality. So if you are interested, I do have a discount code. I will have that down in the description box. Moving on to Surf and Skate, and this is an absolutely gorgeous color. I have done this particular color here several times, several nail designs I've done with this teal blue kind of color. Look how pretty that is. Oh, it just reminds me of the ocean back home in the Caribbean. Definitely giving me some Caribbean vibes. Beautiful color. Okay, and I've talked for a few minutes and I am going to leave you to watch me swatch the last few remaining colors, and then we're going to get into a fun, easy and quick nail design. All right, stay tuned guys. I'll be right back. Okay, I lied. Sorry. Sandcastle. I need to explain this one. This one is the only one that is actually not milky. This one is definitely giving me sand vibes, but it has like a soft, subtle sheen, shimmer to it. It is still very beautiful. It definitely reminded me of a wet sand. When you go to the beach, you know that sand that's at the bottom of the water? That's definitely what it's giving me. It's not the dry sand that's on the beach. It's that wet sand, and it is very opaque. You could get away with one coat coverage with this, but I just wanted to show you what two coats look like. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, so here's a final look at all of the 5 colors that I received. Absolutely beautiful. Let me know down in the comments which one you feel is your favorite. All right, so I did pick out a few colors. You know, I had to reach for the purple one, which is Salty Foam. And then obviously I had to reach for Surf and Skate because it was just so pretty. And of course I had to reach for Playa because peach, I haven't really done much peachy kind of colors. And what was interesting about these three colors is that they actually really complement colors from previous collections. I do have my Velvet Matte top coat, and I also have my base coat from Madam Glam. But I wanted to show you three colors that were from previous collections that I felt really complemented each other really well. So here is this first blue one here, Blueberry Cream. And then we have Cloudless. And then we also have Peachy Pie. Peachy Pie and Cloudless recently arrived, I think in the last month's collection. So all of these were from previous collections that launched this year. So again, I just really like that you can combine colors together and they complement each other really well. Anyway, let's move on to the nail design. I'm going to start off by applying a thin layer of base coat, and I'm going to cure that under my UV lamp for 30 seconds. And now I'm going to go ahead and grab the Salty Foam, which is this jelly purple, but it's definitely like a mixture between blue and lavender. And it's just so pretty. I'm going to be doing a lavender milk bath set with this color very soon. All right, so I go in with my first layer all over the entire nail. That will give that a cure under my UV lamp for 30 seconds. I will go in again with a second layer and then give it a cure for 30 seconds. All right, so now that I've cured both layers, we still have a nice little translucency here as well. I'm now going to grab Blueberry Cream and I'm going to do a wacky side fringe. It's not a straight side fringe. It's not a wavy. It's not curvy. It's just a little bit wacky, a little bit crooked. And that's how I like my fringes. I don't want them to be absolutely perfect. So I just take my Blueberry Cream, and I do apologize, I'm a little bit out of camera, but this is very straightforward, and I will give this a cure for 30 seconds. But before I do cure it, I take my line art brush and I kind of try to improve the line just a tiny little bit. Now that we have the French on and we've cured that under our UV lamp, now we can go ahead and apply our Velvet Matte top coat. Now I'm applying my Velvet Matte top coat because I do want to go in and draw a line on top of that French, and to make sure that I don't mess up the design that I already have, I like to go in with the matte top coat, especially when you are doing a little bit of drawing. So I'm going to use the black painting gel from Madam Glam. And then I have this like holographic shimmery, powder. I think that's mica powder or chrome powder. We'll just call it nail powder. And I want to rub it onto this black line to give this French a kind of holographic outline to the nail. So now I'm just taking a line art brush and drawing my line onto this French. Once I have the line on, I will give it a full cure under the UV lamp for 30 to 60 seconds. And I will go ahead and try to clean up any areas that I feel like needs a little bit of cleaning up. But this gel paint is so pigmented. So definitely when you are applying gel paint, especially the Madam Glam ones, you need to get it right the first time because the color might end up staying there. I've had this little shimmer powder for quite some time and I know that I wanted to use it, so I thought I'll just include it in this particular nail design. So to apply this chrome powder, nail powder, The black paint that we painted on is still has a tacky layer. So you're actually just going to be rubbing the chrome powder, the nail powder into that tacky layer. And then you're going to take a wipe with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol and you're going to wipe around the edges just to remove that excess. Once you are done rubbing in and cleaning up the excess powder from the nail design, you can go in with your top coat and then your final cure under the UV lamp. Now I decided before I cured this that maybe I would add just a little bit of flowers. You guys know that I've been obsessed with flowers because of the spring and summer season. And I had these little clear ones here and I thought I'd just include them, give it that beachy, glassy, beach garden kind of look. So I'm just adding in some clear roses and a little bit of these small white flowers. I've been using these white flowers a lot too. They're very trendy. And I'm using my rhinestone glue from a card. We're going to stick them on there and we're going to go in with a few of the white pearls you see in the background there. And then once I have everything on to the nail design, I will give it a full cure for 60 seconds under the UV lamp. All right, so I wanted to show you the design for the thumb, and then I wanted to quickly show you the design for the index finger, and the other 3 fingers I actually do off camera. So I'm just mainly focusing on the design aspect so that you understand how I did it. So for the index finger, which I'm going to be doing a marble, I'm going to go in with a layer of base gel over the entire nail. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some gel polish to the wet base gel just to kind of create this marble. There are a number of different ways that you can do a marble. You can do blooming gel if you like. You can put the gels on a piece of paper and then add them on. But I'm just going to put everything onto the nail. So I'm grabbing blueberry cream as well as the salty foam. And now I'm also grabbing white lace, which is one of my favorite like shimmery gels from Madam Glam. It's absolutely stunning. I have it on my right hand at the minute. And we're just going to use these 3 shimmery colors and we're going to add it to the wet base gel and then we'll give it a cure. And that's basically it for this particular marble design. I'll be quiet for a bit and let you watch me create this marble. To add just a little bit of sparkles to this nail design, it's still wet by the way. I'm just going to dip into this chrome powder that we use and I'm just going to take a liner brush and kind of just draw some strokes into the wet design before I cure it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and finish off this nail design. For the middle finger here, I'm just going to add some base gel, and then I found this color Bubble Bath, which has this holographic effect. Guys, I was absolutely obsessed with this color, and they have so many more colors that I need to get. So I just applied this to my middle finger, I cured it, I added some top coat, and I was basically done with the middle finger. For the ring finger, I did the same design that I did on my thumb, and then also for the pinky finger, I did the same design that I did on my index. Here is how this nail set turned out. Such a soft, elegant blue set of nails. Absolutely stunning colors from Madam Glam. I mean, well done on this new collection of these kind of milky jelly colors. Look at that sun shot. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you again to Madam Glam for sending these products over for me to share with you guys. If you are interested, again, I do have a discount code down in the description box. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.